I'm Dr. Jordan Gross, and I'm an ophthalmologist here at Iowa Eye Center. I was born and raised in Osage, Iowa, and went to the University of Iowa for undergrad. I graduated from there with a bachelor's in science of physiology. From there, I actually worked a year as a certified nurse assistant at the hospital in Iowa City, then applied to a master's of public health. There's a program at Iowa where you can combine that actually with a medical degree. After graduating from medical school, I went to the University of Minnesota for my residency in ophthalmology. So I'm married and I have 3 kids. My wife is actually a physician as well. She's a dermatologist here in Cedar Rapids. I have 2 twin boys that were born in 2017. We more recently had a little girl in 2020. We love going to the parks in the area, going camping, doing things in the outdoors is really enjoyable for me and my family. We'll go to the swimming pool, go to parks, camp out, do biking and hiking. My interest in medicine started when I was in undergrad, going through my major in physiology. It takes you through, the entire human body and systems. And then when I was in medical school, I sort of had an eye towards being a surgeon of some kind early on. Ophthalmology was actually my last rotation of the surgical fields. I just sort of fell in love with it, and I think it was due to the nature of the surgery that we do in ophthalmology, how it's such delicate small tissue, and then the surgical outcomes that you can have with patients are just amazing. You can take people from not being able to see well at all, and then shortly after surgery, sometimes they're already seeing near 20/20 vision. It's just pretty impactful to see that. More and more we're seeing industry come out with better ways to address people's vision with lens implants. So we can put lenses in people's eyes after cataracts removed that can allow them to be pretty independent of their glasses. And those implants are getting better and better all the time. One of the things that excites me about coming to a place like Iowa Eye Center is you hear about patients coming through the door and saying, I saw Dr. So-and-so for 20 years. So there's longevity of patients in this practice and providers. And so I'm excited to have a population of patients that I see for many, many years over my career.